Take off. Take off. Meaning, to remove clothing or to leave the ground in the context of flying. Example 1. Take off your shoes before entering the house. Example 2. The plane will take off in an hour. Take on. Take on. Meaning, to accept a challenge or responsibility. Example: I'm ready to take on a new project. Take up. Take up. Meaning, to start a hobby. Example: she decided to take up painting in her free time. Take after. Take after. Meaning, to resemble. Example: the child takes after her father. Take away. Take away. Meaning, to remove or subtract. Example: can you take away the extra chairs? Take in. Take in. Meaning, to understand. Example: it takes time to take in new information. Take out. Take out. Meaning, to remove. Example: let's take out the garbage. Meaning, go out to eat. Example: we'll take out burgers for lunch. Take over. Take over. Meaning, to assume control. Example: the new manager will take over next week. Take down. Take down. Meaning, to write down or dismantle. Example: take down these notes for reference. They will take down the old building.